In this video, let's take a look at class component. So, class component is basically ES6 classes. Similar to functional component, the class component also receive props that return a HTML. Props, that means properties, which is used to transfer the data from one component to another component. But there is one private storage in the class component, that is state. State is an object where all the data is stored. That means the data may be array, boolean or string, or also the data may be come from the backend. So to learn class component, let's take one example. Go to VS Code, then let's make a one class based component. Go to source folder and make new folder, components. Inside component folder, let's make one file that may be welcome.js. Then first of all, to make class based component, we import the React from React. So in the first line, we import the React, then type class and name of the class, that is welcome. Extends react.component. This is the basic syntax of class based component. Inside this, we render a method. Inside render, we return HTML. H1 class component. Then at the last, we export the class component. Export default welcome. Then this is our class based component. So to render this class based component in the browser, we should import this on the main component, that is app component. Then go to app component and type import welcome from, this is current directory. Inside the current directory, there is one folder component. Inside the component folder, there is welcome. So there is no need to write welcome.js in the importing. So then we go to the function. Inside function, we return HTML. Then we call the welcome. In this way, we call the component, another component in main component. Then to run the project, go to terminal and change directory to your app name. My app name is contact system. Then type npm start. It will run your project in the browser. Starting development solver. Here is your class based component. It is very easy and simple to create class based component. So in the class based component, we use state, that is to store the data. The data may be from the backend or from the array or from boolean or maybe string. So we deeply look at state in the next video. Thanks for watching.